So it's up and running. I definitely need to change out my water pump. I get a little smoke probably from the oil and paint stuff. Should be alright. Figure that out later. Finally idling right. But yeah, the water pump was squeaking. It's just now stopped. Temperature's still good. Find out if I got a valve cover leak or not. I don't think so. I think it's just all the goo that fell across here. Don't know. Smells like oil. Anyway, it's running. Over and out. So, with the cover on, the air cleaner on, it's pretty quiet now. You don't hear all that engine noise. Doesn't have thrush on it. It's all stock. But when you step on it, it sounds like this. So I think I'm good. There's just a small vacuum leak. The oil smoke was coming out from when I lubed up the exhaust bolts to get them in easier. That stopped. The only other thing is I got a little bit of a one lifter making noise. I have to pull the valve cover. I think it's this one on this side, number one. I may not have torqued that rocker arm or one of them over there, and it's snug, but it ain't all the way torqued, I think. Or I may have to go back in and replace one lifter. I won't know until I actually take the valve cover off and look. It may disappear. There's a lot of goo that was in there. Sounds pretty good right now, except for the idle's a little rough and it has to get up to temp. And I think that might be due to the vacuum leak. I think that's in the throttle body. I may have to pull that off and re-glue it down. I'm not sure. All in good time. Next project is taking out the radiator water pump, because I do have a little leak there. The weep hole is leaking. My oil pressure's the same as it's always been. And amazingly, it doesn't get hot like it used to. I'm barely over 100. And I'm thinking if I let it go for long enough, it's not even going to get up to 200, which is a good thing. But I don't have a thermostat in here. Anyway, those things are little things that I got to do on the side while I prepare another video down the road of how to get the radiator out to get to the water pump. That's going to be a trick. Anyway, that's the last of this series. Over and out.